ಹಾಯ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್, ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಟು ಮೈ ಚಾನಲ್. ಇವತ್ತು ನಾವು ಗೋವಾ ಟೂರಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದೇವೆಲ್ಲ, ಅದರದ್ದು ಒಂದು ವಿಡಿಯೋ. ಇದೊಂದು ಹೋಟೆಲ್ನದ್ದು ವಿಡಿಯೋ. ಇದು ಮಡ್ಗಾಂವ್ಗೆ ನಿಯರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಹೋಟೆಲ್. ಈ ಹೋಟೆಲ್ನಲ್ಲಿ 1 ಪರ್ಸನ್ಗೆ 500 ರುಪೀಸ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಮತ್ತು ಈ ಹೋಟೆಲ್ನ ವ್ಯೂ ಹೀಗುಂಟು. ಮಾತ್ರ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಹೋಟೆಲ್, ಒಳ್ಳೆದುಂಟು. ವ್ಯೂ ಎಲ್ಲ ಒಳ್ಳೆದುಂಟು. ಈ ಹೋಟೆಲ್ ನೇಚರ್ನ ಮಧ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಉಂಟು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಉಂಟಲ್ಲ ಗಿಡ ಮರ, ಅದರದ್ದೆಲ್ಲ ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೇನೆ. ಈಗ ನಮಗೆ ಹೋಟೆಲ್ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಆಗ್ತೇವೆಲ್ಲ, ಆವಾಗ ನಮಗೆ ಹೂ ಹಾಕಿ ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಮತ್ತು ನಮಗೊಂದುಂಟಲ್ಲ ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಡ್ರಿಂಕ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಅದೊಂಥರ ಕಷಾಯ ಥರ ಇತ್ತು. ಮತ್ತೆ ಉಂಟಲ್ಲ ಅವರೇ ತಯಾರಿಸಿದ ಗೇರು ಹಣ್ಣಿನದ್ದು ಮತ್ತು ಮ್ಯಾಂಗೋದ್ದು ಅವರೇ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು ಜ್ಯೂಸ್ ಇತ್ತು. ಮತ್ತು ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಕಂಪನಿಯದ್ದು. ಮತ್ತು ನಾವು ಮೆನು ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋದೆವು. ಎಲ್ಲ ಮೆನು ಇತ್ತು. ಅಷ್ಟೇನು ಊಟ ನಮಗಿಷ್ಟ ಆಗಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಚಿಕನಲ್ಲಿ ಖಾಲಿ ಒಂದು ಗ್ರೇವಿ ಮತ್ತು ಫಿಶ್ ಫ್ರೈ, ಫಿಶ್ ಸಾರು, ಮತ್ತು ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ವೆಜಿಟೇಬಲ್. ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೆ ಬೇಸರ ಆಯಿತು. ಅಷ್ಟು 500 ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಊಟ ಅಷ್ಟು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಲಿಲ್ಲ ನಮಗೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಬ ಗಿಡ ಮರ ಉಂಟು. ಅಲ್ಲಿಯ ಹೋಟೆಲ್ನದ್ದೇ ಒಬ್ಬರು ಗೈಡ್ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅವರು ನಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಎಲ್ಲ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಿ ತೋರಿಸುವಾಗ ಆ ಗಿಡ ಮತ್ತು ಮರದ್ದು ಬೆನಿಫಿಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಂತ ಉಂಟು ಅದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಅವರು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ. ಈಗ ಅವರೊಂದು ತೆಂಗಿನ ಮರ ತೋರಿಸಿದ್ರು. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ 100 ವರ್ಷ ಆಯ್ತಂತೆ. ಅದರದ್ದೀಗ ಬೇರೆಲ್ಲ ಉಂಟಲ್ಲ, ಅದೇ ಈಗ ಮೆಡಿಸಿನ್ಗೆಲ್ಲ ಹೋಗ್ತದಂತೆ. ಇನ್ನು ಬೇರೆ ಗಿಡದ್ದೆಲ್ಲ ಅವರದ್ದು ವಾಯ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳಿ ನೀವು.
It comes on a tip of a branch as a bunch of flower like a bird. In a one bunch there is 80 to 90 clothes in there. So the flower blooms, try to harvest it. Also we extract the oil from the cloth. That's good for tooth paint, for mosquito plant also you can get. And we are getting 2 types of cloth in the market. Top of the cloth is a flower in a ball. Sometimes we get a brown flower, sometimes we get a black flower. But we are buying from the market, no. Always buy the flower is a brown, because in the black they extract oil and then they are selling. Sorry. So that's why it turns in the black in color. Otherwise natural flower is a brown, and that's a good one. And clove is the 4th most expensive spice in the world, and they are from originally Zanzibar, African country. Just mix it, yeah, and you can apply for the face before going to bed, and next morning you can wash your face. And like that you can use, yeah. This kokum. Dal sambar. Also we prepare kokum sharbat, kokum curry. That's good for digestion also. As a saffron. Saffron we don't have because our climate is not suitable for the saffron. Second is the vanilla. In ice cream, perfume cake we are using, no. Third cardamom, 4th clove, and 5th cinnamon. So you can see here on this betel nut palm, it is the zigzag climber you doing. Yeah. It's a vanilla climber, and that's from the orchid family. Vanilla is from orchid family. And after planting, no, it extracts water from the other tree, other palms. That's why. And after planting, it takes 4 years to get first flower. But we have to pollinate that flower. In India, there is no nature to pollination because our country we don't have harmful birds. In Mexico, Madagascar, the countries have harmful birds, so they have lots of production of vanilla. Here, workers take toothpick and hand pollination are there. Then we get a first pod, and it takes 9 months to get first pod ready, like a human baby. Then we harvest them and then we dry in a shade area like 40-50 days, and then we get the essence. And like a 30 to 40 thousands of vanilla stick, we only getting 1 liter of vanilla essence. And that 1 liter, 50% goes in the pharmaceutical, in the medicine, 30% goes in the Coca-Cola factory. Because of the phosphorus bad smell of Coca-Cola, they are using vanilla, that's why. And 20% in your daily products, in the ice cream, perfume, cake, in that. So get the essence in the market, no, that's not a real essence, because especially they are selling a synthetic essence. You can prepare at home, take 1 vanilla stick, you can slit in the middle, take this much of it, scrape the base, and put in a half kg of sugar. For like a 15 to 20 days in an airtight container, sugar extract the oil from the vanilla beans and sugar flavor like a vanilla. So instead of the vanilla essence, you can use that sugar. And 1 stick you can use in 3-4 kg of sugar. Remaining one just wrap it and kept in an airtight container. Again you can prepare. Or you can make small pieces that you can directly use in your baking. That also you can use, because inside there is no chemical. Jadi patri. Mace and nutmeg. When these fruits are maturing, it opens itself from the middle and both are falls down. Outer core is called mace, the japatri, and inside is called nutmeg, and both is coming in the same fruit. And mace and nutmeg. But mace we using in the biryani, pulao. Otherwise, police spray is on high side. No, ladies using for the safety. Tear gas, mace spray, pepper spray. That's made from this mace, japatri. And nutmeg is very hot. You can grate and you can pinches because you know spoons you feel sleepy, drowsy. That's why. Also giving for the children for the cold cough, sound sleep. We can grate it, mix with honey, and we can taste them. And in a dessert like cake, custard pudding, in a baking also we are using the nutmeg. And outer shell is a little bit sour in taste. Make pickle from that. Otherwise candies from that. It tastes like a raw mango outer cover. After 7 to 8 years, the whole bark will get ready. Then we cut a branch, remove the bark, then we draw ends. Also extract the oil. That's good for the pain, joint pain, muscle pain, arthritis, spondylitis. But directly can't apply the body because directly apply, your skin get burnt. So you can dilute any base oil, then you can apply for the body. And our climate is not suitable for the bay leaf. In biryani pulao, we use that bay leaf. Here we don't have original bay leaf. That's why we use cinnamon leaf as a bay leaf. And cinnamon leaf is the most expensive spice in the world. Cardamom and ginger, and for sweetness we use little bit of jaggery, good for cold cough, migraine, travel sickness. Also we extract oil, that's good for the face, pimple, acne, open pores. You can dilute in some almond oil and you can apply for the face. Otherwise like diffuses in your burning candle, room freshener. Otherwise mosquito repellent you can use lemongrass oil. And this is the small chilies here. This one is red and green chili. This is the peri peri chili. Peri peri chili, boda chili. We use in the flakes on the pizzas, burgers. So in Goa we call it Portugali chili. Normally chilies come in downward, no. This chilies comes in upward position, and the maximum size is 1.5 inch, not more than that. And this one chili is equivalent to normal 5-6 chili. They can take 2-3 leaves of tulsi, basil leaf, and this lemongrass. You can boil, you can drink it. Morning time, otherwise you can squeeze lemon inside. After squeezing lemon, this color change in the purple in color. That's good for the anxiety, stress, increase your metabolism. You can take early in the morning. 4-5 beans of the seeds, and you can soak it a night with salt water for 5 to 6 days. Color will be remain same. That you can use in your soup, salad, pickle, and decoration purpose. But it's a spicy one. White pepper you have to prepare. After maturing, it turns red in color. Then we harvest that red bean and you have to boil in the water for like 15 to 20 minutes. After that, you can remove the shell and you can draw and use. That's a white pepper, and that's good for the eyesight. For black pepper, you have to kept as it is. It will dry, you get a black one. And also known as the king of the spices. It's the first discovered spice in India, in Kerala. If you have gastric acidity, take 2-3 beans of black pepper. You have to crush that seeds, boil in the water and take it. In the morning, you will empty stomach. And black pepper is good for the gastric also. सुपारी के है, सुपारी का पेड़ का एक भी काउंट कर सकते हैं इसके रिंग्स काउंट करके 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 rings contain 1 year, summer season, rainy season, winter season. So you can divide a 4 ring. I can count the age of this palm also. अभी जो ब्रिज पास किया, ब्रिज भी इसी के पेड़ों बना है. तो लंच में प्लेट लेते हैं, प्लेट भी सुपारी के पेड़ के पत्ते हैं. तो बायोडिग्रेडेबल, यूज एंड थ्रो. ऑल्सो बड़ा लीगल ड्रग ऑफ इंडिया. इफ यू चू रॉ बिटल नट, कच्चे सुपारी खाने से नशा चढ़ जाता है. सूखी खाने से कुछ नहीं होता है, डाइजेशन के लिए अच्छा होता है, माउथ फ्रेशनर भी लगवा सकते हैं. हुर्राक में 9 to 10% अल्कोहल रहता है. फैनी के लिए वही प्रोसेस रिपीट होता है. 50% फर्मेंटेड जूस, 50% हुर्राक, दोनों को वापस बॉईल करते हैं. और जो सेकंड डिस्टिल मिलता है ना, वो है फैनी. फैनी में 40-42% अल्कोहल रहता है. फैनी का 1-2 चम्मच पिया, लाइक सर्दी खांसी, ब्लड सर्कुलेशन के लिए, ब्लड प्यूरिफिकेशन के लिए अच्छे रहते हैं. ऑल्सो गुड फॉर अस्थमा ऑल्सो. इट्स लाइक एपेटाइजर यू कैन है. उससे ज़्यादा ऐसे ही पी लिया 30-40 ml तो चढ़ जाती है. और फैनी का भी एक्सपायर भी नहीं होती. ट्राई करना है तो टूर के तो बनी बात. Tired, no, that's why in this pot there is a normal water. In that water we put 2 drops of lavender oil. Lavender is good for the relaxation. You can in your bath also, you can take shoulder bath. For migraine, take 1 drop, apply for the migraine. So you don't get sleep at night, take 2 drops and spread in a pillow. It is sound sleep. Otherwise take 1 drop and rub it here for the sound sleep. So now I'll put little bit of water in spinal cord for relaxation. Nothing will happen. Your clothes get wet for few minutes. Then we have spice up here.
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರದ್ದೇ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟನ್ನು ಸೇಲಿಗೆ ಇಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅದು ಮರದಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಆದದ್ದು ಸ್ಪೈಸಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ, ಲವಂಗ, ಏಲಕ್ಕಿ, ದಾಲ್ಚಿನ್ನಿ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಉಂಟು. ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ನಾವು ಇದು ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ, ಅದು ಯಾವುದು ಗೊತ್ತುಂಟಾ, ಗೆರಟೆಯದ್ದು, ತೆಂಗಿನಕಾಯಿದು ಗೆರಟೆ ಬರ್ತದಲ್ಲ, ಅದರಲ್ಲೇ ಮಾಡಿದೊಂದು ಕಪ್ಪು ಥರ. ಅದು ನನಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಯಿತು. ಅದೊಂದು ಟ್ರೆಡಿಷ್ನಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಕಾಣ್ತದೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನೊಂದು ಅದು ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ. ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ವ್ಯೂ ಉಂಟಲ್ಲ, ಅದೇ ಹೋಟೆಲ್ನದ್ದು. ಒಂಥರ ಕಾಡಿನ ಮಧ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಹೋಟೆಲ್, ಒಳ್ಳೆದಿತ್ತು. ವ್ಯೂ ನೋಡಲಿಕ್ಕೇ ತುಂಬ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದು. ಈಗ ನಮಗೆ ಟ್ರೈನಿಗೆ ಸಹ ಟೈಮ್ ಆಯಿತು. ಈಗ ಪಟ 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 ಟ್ರೈನೆಲ್ಲ ಹತ್ತಿ ಮತ್ತು ನಾನು ಮನೆಗೆ ಹೋದದ್ದು. ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆದಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಹಾಗೆ ನನ್ನ ಚಾನಲನ್ನು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ನೋಡಿ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಫಾರ್ ವಾಚಿಂಗ್.